Hi mga kawatashi! My name is Carl and this is...
Sherwin!
So guys, ngayon, nandito po kami ngayon sa vlogging because I want to share my skin routine for morning. So let's go! Let's go! Hi mga kawatashi! My name is Carl again and this is Sherwin. Nasa likod siya ng cam. Magtatanong siya later sa akin. So like as I promised na i-share ko sa inyo yung skincare routine ko for morning. So, let's go. So, the first step pala guys, ang ginawa ko, sabon ng face, nag-soap. That's the first step, facial wash. So, ito yung ginawa ko sa yan. Siniscrub ko lang siya ng dahan-dahan. Soft lang from nose, face, cheek. Tapos yung sa forehead ko. So, ayun. The first step will be lalagay tayo ng toner. Kasi toner is for, para saan ba siya? Rejuvenating toner helps to dry our pimples and rejuvenate the skin to make it smoother and glowing. So far guys, nakaka 5 days na ako sa paggamit ng skincare na to. So guys, sooner or later, I will gonna share this product to you. Kasi effective naman siya sa akin. Ayoko lang maging bias sa ibang skin product. So yun, ilalagay natin siya. So, unahin ko dito sa face. Laging siya, pataas yung lagay. Yan. So, kung may nagtatanong guys, bakit hindi ba mahirap maglagay ng skincare pag may bigote? So far, hindi naman. Tsaka ang ang buhok naman sa face natin, nakaka-help siya to avoid those dirts para hindi ka magka-pimples. So, sa forehead, laging upward. So, see, I have a lot of pimples. Pero nag-dry na yan. Laging pa-upward siya. Don't forget your eye bags. So, ayun. Medyo namumula-mula na ako. Ito yung likod ng tenga. Baba ng likod. So, ayun. Sherwin, may tanong ka ba kahit ano?
So, ayun, ang first question natin is, as you mentioned a while ago, 5 days ka palang gumagamit. So, ano yung nag-encourage sa'yo para gumamit pa ng rejuvenating set since nakikita naman natin or nakikita naman ng viewers na medyo maayos naman talaga yung texture ng face?
Oh, that's a good question, Sherwin. Thank you so much for that question. Anyway, I want to share my journey by using a skincare routine. So, the reason why I'm still continuing using the skincare for me to maintain the glass skin and no pimples. Kasi for me, nakakababa siya ng, confidence sa ibang tao. Lumalabas ka ng napakadaming tigawan, parang nakakahiyang tumingin. So guys, I feel you. So don't worry, sa journey namin this vlog, I will gonna share how you use your skincare properly. Kasi yung una kong share ko lang din, yung una kong gamit ng skincare rejuvenation, hindi maganda yung kinalabasan. Ang nangyari sa akin, nagmukha akong kamatis. So now, so far so good. May kaibigan ako before na nag-share sa akin how to use the rejuvenating set properly. So now, look, okay naman na siya yung face ko. So yun, sure. Next step will be applying the what's this? Kasi dito sa binili kong rejuvenating set, hindi siya masyadong, alam mo yung usually may sunscreen, merong toner, may night cream. Ito morning cream siya pero it's look like a foundation cream. I'm not sure. Liquid foundation. So ito yung itsura niya. Gagamitin ko siya. This is how I apply it to my face. Una sa nose, then dito, 3 dots. Yan. I highly suggest din na gumamit kayo ng super daming sunscreen. Kasi yun yung technique ko. Bumibili ako ng additional sunscreen kasi nakaka-help siya to protect your skin sa radiation ng phone. Kasi hindi lang naman nakasira ng skin yung araw, pati yung mga phone, radiation ng computer, if you're working as a call center, sa mga naka-night shift na included yung PC computer monitor. Don't forget your forehead. Ina-applyan ko rin siya dito. So sa forehead, 3 taps din. So dito natin ikakalat. Mataas lang siya lagi. So, pasensya na guys, medyo mataas yung hairline ko. So yan. Wala naman siyang wide cast so far. Kaya I like this product. Next is the face. Make sure na isasama mo yung eye bags. Ayan lang. Dahan-dahan lang sa nose. Ayan. Okay na siya. Okay yung face ko. So yun na nga, Sherwin. What will be your next question?
So the next question will be, paano mo may encourage yung ibang tao na bumili ng rejuvenating set in a low cost? Since sila nga is nagtitipid nga naman talaga.
I want to encourage you by using your, for you to purchase a skincare. It doesn't matter if a low cost or if that item is expensive one. Kasi ang pinaka-importante ay yung skin mo is compatible dun sa product na bibilin mo. I-share ko din pala sa inyo na we will be having a business as well na in regards to skincare products. I assure you that once you will gonna purchase the product, it will help you to glow as well, like this face. Actually, yun yung ginagamit yung product. I don't want to be biased to other products out there. Oo, nandun na yung effective din naman yung ibang product. But for me, this product helps me a lot as well. Aside from Dr. Alvin, this is my first choice. Business na din namin siya, so I want to share this to you guys. I will gonna upload the vlog in the future, so you can check the link that I will gonna share. By the way guys, the last step will be applying a sunscreen mist. Yeah. So yun na nga. So this is how I use it. Siyempre, usually spray mo lang. Pero this is how I use it. Make sure to close your eyes kasi mahapdi siya. So ayun, nawisik ko lang, then itatap ko lang para ma-absorb ng skin mo properly yung product. So ayun, Sherwin, that will be the last step. What will be your last question?
Ang last question naman natin is, how will you give the assurance to any other clients or customers na mabigay yung gusto talaga nilang mangyari, which is yung very soft skin, a glass skin, and walang mangyayarong implication or harmful effects dun sa mismo face nila?
So like what I've said earlier guys, so it depends talaga sa skin nyo kung saan kayo hiyang, kung saan din comfortable yung skin nyo sa product. So I really can't assure you to purchase a specific product na hindi naman kayo hiyang. So I'm not an expert here guys, pero I highly suggest try until you succeed. Try lang kayo ng try ng product hanggang sa makuha nyo yung hiyang na product sa face nyo. Kasi yung ibang face, may hard face, soft face. So, hello black. Hindi. Ayun lang naman guys. Basta mag-iingat lang kayo sa paggamit. Then, in the future vlogging naman sa channel namin, i-share ko din sa inyo kung paano yung proper. Kasi for me, I'm not using the night cream every day. But sooner or later, I will gonna tell you guys. So, ayun guys. That will be the last step for my skin routine. So, thank you so much for watching our vlog, the Watashi Duo. So, kindly click the subscribe button and also the notification bell para pag meron kami mga vlog in the future, manonotify. Thank you so much, and this is my skincare.